When it comes to leveling up your viewing experience, finding the right size TV is a basic first step. But there are a lot of easy traps to fall into that can lead to serious mistakes down the line that a lot of people don't consider. Today we're going to go over a couple of them and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, getting started without a plan. Always have a plan when you get your new TV. Otherwise, that $1,000 investment could land up on the ground or in a place that's not ideal to level up your viewing experience. Mistake number 2, fail to understand how much load your walls can bear. Some TVs can weigh over 100 pounds depending on the size, and if you don't find the right location and locate a stud that can support that weight, your TV will end up on the ground. Mistake number 3, choosing the wrong location. Unfortunately, once you mount a TV, it's pretty much fixed in that location, and if you didn't factor in the light or your viewing angle, you're going to have a bad experience. Picking the right viewing angle to mount your TV is an important part of your viewing experience. Too high and your neck will hurt. Too low and you'll always be looking down. It's important to try these things out before you actually mount your TV so that it's in the perfect position. Mistake number 4, choosing the wrong wall mount. Like I said, TVs weigh all sorts of different weights, and unfortunately, not all mounts are created the same. They're only rated to handle certain sizes and certain amounts of weight. Now that you've picked out your TV, it's time to consider what TV mount you want to use with that TV, and where you're going to put it on the wall. One of the considerations needs to be, will it support the size that you've chosen? If you choose one that supports too small of a size, your TV could land up on the ground. Another consideration, just like that, is will it support the weight of the TV? Again, TVs can weigh all over the range from 60 pounds to over 100 pounds, and that can make a big difference in the mounts you're selecting. The final consideration should be the quality that you're considering. All of those TV mounts are made out of a specific type of metal that bend with weight and stress over time. You want to pick a high quality TV mount that'll hold up for years to come.